show you my newest creation.
You should try the pecan.
No, I'll take. Hey, actually, that would help because I was looking at a muffin. Well, I was gonna put a muffin with some kipper.
Love this thing. You know the kids
And make
will
a
not
cupping.
eat that.
I was gonna make a cupping.
The kids won't eat that.
But you know what I was thinking? Now I use.
So if this is an experiment, you're trying to figure out how to make cheaper food
No.
next to your scam.
No. I was gonna make a cupping, but now if you let me borrow that log right there, let me see that right there. That's a good part of it. I'll put it in here and put this pecan log with the muffin and the kipper fish here, and a muffin kipper. I'll call it a muffler.
That probably tastes like a muffler.
Well, you guys inspired me, talking about pipes
man.
earlier, and I mean, so
no,
muffler is
That
good stuff.
smells legitimately bad.
No, that stuff's pretty good. The pecan log just like has this salty taste, right? So you only have to salt the fish. Sometimes fish is just a little salt, but when you got the salted pecan roll, I mean, it's like diggity dog. Good stuff. It's really good.